Hindi mo ako tutulungan itago yung katawan.
Itago yung katawan, din nakakasama ako. Ano?
Really funny story this morning. I don't wear bras anymore. I absolutely abhor them. So I was driving to work today. Pagbaba ko ng sasakyan, napansin ko that I was only wearing one silicone. So, ito yun. I don't know kung nasa na yung isa. But, bumili pa ako dito sa SM ng pair. Kasi I don't know kung nasa yung isa. Paano wala siya before I went to work? I don't know where it is.
Sino ba tong mga to? Pinunta ko dito. Department store eh. Pinagdadala ako dito ng mga kaibigan.
Oh, Tylo, di mo kilala yun. Ano ka ba? Oh, Tylo is like... Ganun.
Yung puwet ko all time low kanina pa eh. Sa CR. Pabalik-balik ako na CR. Yung tunay na all time low.
So we're walking now. Nag-park kasi kami a little bit far. I'm expecting some traffic lang, but I don't think there is traffic. You know, may mga spaces pa, teleperformance pa rin.
Yung
We're a long way from 2018, which was the last time we were here. 17? 17. I don't know what time is anymore. It's all just... All right. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I'm coming with you till the real coming. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle.
Welcome back to the vlog. It is a Tuesday today at exactly 11:32 p.m. And kakauwi ko lang from All Time Low live in Manila. I'm just so happy that they were able to come by here in the Philippines. It's been a while. The pandemic stole from us. And kung bago ka dito, my name is Jho, and the purpose of the weekly vlog is really just to take you with me if you're interested with everything that I do throughout the week. And super saya ko because I was able to do this again. Parang nalalabas ko ulit yung creativity ko in a way that I do appreciate some of you still watching the vlog. Appreciate ko naman yun even if onti lang yung views. And I mean, that's not really the purpose of why I'm doing it. I'm really just happy to be creating again and just recording again and see just these little milestones in my life that I was able to capture. So, na-appreciate ko yun. So, I guess the highlight of the concert was when they had asked us to parang buhatin yung friend over the shoulder, which we were able to do. And it was just really, really fun kasi childhood band yan along the likes of Jimmy Eat World, The Main, We the Kings. Another band is Super Bowl of China. Hindi, ano mang banda yun? They also sang Stacy's Mom, 1985. I'll just plop it kung nakalimutan ko na kung anong banda yun, but yun, the likes of that. Anne Berlin, the year 2009 was their peak era, so nakakamiss lang to be able to hear those kind of music again in that kind of genre. And yeah, we have so many things to look forward to this week. Like every other week, it's gonna be a really busy week for me. So without further ado, welcome to my week. Subscribe if you haven't yet. First time buko date.
Nag-order kami buko juice. Alam, mahilig kasi siya sa buko. Maya, nag-order kami doon. Sabi ko, ito na buko. Pagbigay sa amin ganito, ang laki.
Oh. Gano'n naman kasi talaga.
Ano ba talaga?
Higop ako ng higop, wala pala dun sa juice yung
Diba? Galing. Asan na yun?
Ang sarap, ang tamis.
Dapat lang, putang ina eh. Nag-order tayo buko. Ang gusto ko lang, yung sa ano lang eh. Sa cup lang, binigay sa atin sa supot eh. Siguro next size nito sa sako na.
Gawin ka naman.
Oo, sako. Sako juice. Pang 1 week supply.
Mga kanis naman yun.
Naman seryoso. Busy ka lang.
Do I have to be at the other side?
Sige nga.
Okay. Okay. Galing ah.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, uwi muna ako eh. Para fresh ako today.
Hindi na maligo sa bahay.
Wala na ako extra clothes, Bob. What does that mean? Dapat may ganito ka pala, no?
Na?
You have something like this.
Na ano?
So,
Yes.